Hello friends, this is Er.Debasis. Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today I buy a laptop of Acer make Aspire 3 A31521. So today we'll know how to install Windows 10 in this laptop because this laptop contains Windows Linux operating system. So as I'm not familiar with the Linux, so I preferably want to install Windows 10 here. So how I can install this Windows 10? So first of all, we need a bootable pen drive, which I have already. You can see here, this is the bootable pen drive, and this is the first screen of the Linux operating system. So we should go through the instructions and start the installation process. So first of all, I'll open my preloaded operating system of the Linux. Okay, so my Linux operating system is already open. So let's start the installation process. So in this Aspire 3 and A31521 model, basically in Acer model, we use F2 key for BIOS setting, and for the booting purpose we use F12 key. So let's start. So before BIOS setting, we should go for the restarting option. This is the power up option. We go through it and press the restart button. And when you get the Acer logo, you suddenly press down the F2 key. Now my bootable, now you can see the BIOS setting window is already open. So here you need to go through it. First of all, go for the main menu. In main menu, you can see the F12 boot menu, which I indicate you. You can see F12 boot menu, which I need to enable because it is already disabled. You need to enable it. Okay, already I have enabled it. So how you could enable it? Just I show you by enabling and disabling by pressing entering key. Okay, you can disable or enable accordingly. So here we need to enable it. Okay, then we go for advanced option. Here on the enable, you need to enable those ADM, IO, MMU, SBM enable. These all need to enable it. Then you go for security. Security window. In here security, you need to set supervisor password for the temporary period. Okay, then you can change it. Already I have made it, so no need for change it once again. So I go for the boot option. In boot option you can see the legacy option. Okay, I have already changed legacy option because there are two options you can see, the legacy option and the UEFI option. Okay, so for the bootable purpose, for all the features you need to select the legacy option instead of the UEFI option. Okay. Okay, you can see the instructions here. Microsoft recommends executing Windows 8 and the version above under UEFI boot mode is to enjoy the full features. Okay, You just press OK and enter. Okay, so by legacy option you can see the boot priority orders. There is HDDO, hard disk, USB drive, network boot drive, USB hard disk, and everything. All the bootable devices, bootable things you can get here. Okay, and after that you go for the setting that for the save purpose. It says exist saving changes. Enter. Save configuration changes and exist now. Yes. All my set. So here you need to press suddenly F12 key. Okay, I pressed F12 key, and you see the boot option menu is here. HDO, Toshiba, MQ, this model, and hard disk model. Then the network boot, this was not required for me. And the third one which I made, the bootable pen drive, that is the USB hard disk SSD. It is USB hard disk data. So here is height slightly changed. We can just need to some changes here. We have to select USB hard disk at a USB flash drive, which I made before for the installation of Windows 10. So I select it and press enter. Okay, after a while you can see the Windows logo here, and my installation process of Windows 10 will be started. You can see here, and you just need to follow the instructions which are given in the Windows 10 installation process. This is very simple. You can follow these instructions and go for this, and easily you can install Windows 10 in your Linux or DOS filtered operating system. Okay, you can see the windows here, language, time, currency. These are the very simple process. You are need to make it, or you need to enter the data according to your requirement, according to your choice, and just follow the instruction and go for next, and and install your operating system, and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.